What's the meaning of beauty parlor? Beauty parlor. Beauty parlor.
Beauty parlor. Beauty parlor. A beauty parlor, also known as a beauty salon or beauty shop, is a business that offers various beauty treatments and services to its customers. These services typically include hairstyling and cutting, nail care, skin cleansing, waxing, threading, makeup application, and sometimes even massages and other spa treatments. Beauty parlors are often frequented by women who want to enhance their physical appearance or maintain their existing look through professional services. Many beauty parlors also sell beauty products such as cosmetics and hair care items. Overall, beauty parlors play an important role in the beauty industry by providing expert beauty services to customers and helping them look and feel their best.